Hello everyone, this is just showing the new knocker that I have. It's this board right here and then the knocker itself. Really what this does, it gives you the ability to take a 12 volt input from your power supply and convert that to 24 volts. It also has a life extender on board, so you never have to worry about overheating your knocker. And then it can be triggered from a signal input. So if you'll notice, like on my PinOne Main board, there's actually an output right here. There's 3 signal level outputs, so they're not high power outputs. One of them is labeled knocker. The other 2 you can use for whatever you want. But if you use those, you can't power anything that's high power, but you can connect that to this knocker kit, and it allows you to trigger the knocker board from it, or from any signal, really, any low-level signal source. So KLZ boards or anything will be able to trigger it, and then you get a really powerful knocker on the outside of this thing. So if I go ahead and plug this in, you'll see when I give it that signal, then the knocker comes up, and if I want, I'll just show you, if I put it like under here, then you'll get a really powerful knock when that hits. And that's pretty much it. It's simple to hook up. Again, you can run this thing, and even if your kit keeps it activated all the time, you don't have to worry about it. You can see it's loose because the life extender is preventing it from getting a lot of energy. It gets all the energy at first, but then once it's triggered, it just holds, and you don't have to worry about it overheating no matter how long it's kept on for. And it also doesn't require nearly as much power as you typically need to power a knocker. So this knocker will actually pull approximately 150 watts when it's first triggered, and then of course after that it's just very low wattage, just a couple watts to keep it running. And that's about it. So very powerful knocker. If you think about 150 watts is a ton of power, and so this thing can make a fairly loud knock if you have it mounted against the wood. You will notice there's no spring inside this unit, so it always has to be mounted upwards like this so that gravity can pull it back down after it disengages. But that's about it. Like I said, you just put a couple screws underneath, make sure that it's against the top of your cabinet somewhere, and you'll get a nice loud knock when this thing activates. All right, hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you guys next time.